Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay Lazada. At ang sender natin ay si Fine PH.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So titignan natin guys kung legit seller or hindi. I-unbox natin guys. Face mask ng in-order guys. So ayan guys. So legit si seller guys, face mask pambata. Thank you for watching.